Want to catch the ball? Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3.
You're too late.
Okay.
You could do it earlier. Ready? You want Mama to help you? Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yeah!
You caught it.
One more time, kiddo.
For Daddy.
Got the ball, Callan? May I have the ball, please?
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Oh, you
We
missed.
missed. Let's try
You
again.
missed.
We missed.
You missed. Yeah! May I have the ball, Callan? May I have the ball, please? Thank you. One more time. Yay!
You caught it. You're so silly.